Hello, welcome to my video. Today is going to be day 25 of my 100-day challenge, and today I'm going to be doing these banner toppers. I've seen these done on another channel where they made these layered toppers, but I decided to change it up a little bit, and I made them two-sided with a magnet in the center. So yeah, nice big one. The same magnet in the center. This is the first one I made. I used a lighter paper for the back, and I feel like it's a little too light for it. I don't know if it's because it's bigger or if it's lighter paper, but it doesn't, it wants to curl up. It also could be that my magnet is way higher, that maybe if I put the magnet lower, it would have held it better. So the next one I made was a smaller one. Magnet is smack in the middle here, but it is thicker paper for the background, and I feel like this holds up a little bit better. Now the reason that I decided to do the toppers is because of I've been making a lot of bottom things. This is my spring floral journal that I finished recently. This is the bottom of it, see, nice and thick and chunky, and this is the top, little baby. So there's not that much on there. So I thought if I had something, I needed more topper things. And I'm not sure if I'll actually put this in this book because it's pretty full. I mean, it's definitely full. But say I wanted to put one here, then you can go ahead and slide some pictures in there, or tags, whatever you want to use. This is my floral journal. What I'd probably end up doing is sticking a photo of my garden, or maybe some seed packets or something in there to hold on to. But it's nice and it's fairly sturdy, the magnets that I found to put in there. Got a tag here. So say we wanted to put a tag in there, and it doesn't come out. So yeah. Like I said, that one's just a bit big. The smaller ones I think are a nice, really don't want to come apart, are a nice size to fit on there. So yeah, and stick something in there and have it not come out. Now you could also make it, I put the pictures up and down because toppers, but if you wanted to make them go sideways, that would work too. Obviously it would be, you'd put whatever decoration that going that way, but you could use that as a slide in, and pretty strong stuff. So, all right, so let's get this out of the way, and I'll show you how I made these. I've already pulled some stuff to make my next one. All right, so I'll put these to the side. All right, so like I said, I'm using a little bit a stronger background one. These are random sizes. I cut it from, I have this paper pad, and I chose this paper, and I basically just cut these out where the lines were, and this is how I determined how big and how wide the tags were that I have. So I have other ones here laying around, some other ones to fold. So, but we're gonna go with this one because I figured it's like Mama Bear right in the middle of the three sizes I've made. So, I inked a little bit around the sides of these just to save some time. But what we need to do is then take to get the angle in there, instead of just trying to cut and make it straight. If you gently fold them in half, now it's hard with 4 layers, it was a little easier when she was, the video I saw was doing the 1 layer, but started from the corner, and then just however far you angle up is how deep you make your V. So we're gonna start with that one, and then I'm gonna do this music note next. Now since it's longer, I definitely want to make sure I go up far enough to make that go on top. So we're gonna put that one next. And then this is actually from my last video from day 24, where I did random stamping on it. So I decided to use one of these. And I actually might put that on top. Do this one next. This one I've decided to do 4 on. That one I did 3, the main and 2 layers. This one I did 3, but this one I think I'm gonna do 4. So I'm gonna just fold this one and just do a little snip on that one, just to get it to go. And then this one, I'm also gonna, maybe I'll do a little bit taller one. A little more angled. There, fun. Okay, so I'm gonna do a quick ink on the V's, because I did the outside of these, but couldn't do the V's until they got cut. And it's just to knock that white part off the side edge of these things. Okay. All right, so magnets. I've got these magnets. I found them on Amazon. I will try to link up where I got, but it came in a package of 100. I've gone through a few already. What they suggest is to take 2 of them, or take whatever one you want and slide it off. So I'm going to take 2 because I need a pair. And slide that off because they are strong. They really, when the opposite polars or when they're regular, they really like to stick together. So strong suckers, that's what I say. They are strong suckers. So, all right, so I'm not gonna put the magnet on the inside, because then when you try to put a paper, it would go. I'm gonna stick it on the top of this base layer. So I'm gonna slide those apart. All right, I'm gonna make sure this one goes this way, because I know that it's gonna go into its polar opposite, and not repel itself. It will attract itself. So I'm gonna stick somewhere near the middle-ish, where the V is. I'm gonna stick a glob of glue so that I can put my magnet in the glob of glue. All right, so then I'm gonna take my whatever layer we want next, and I'm gonna put that, and I'm gonna glue this to the top of here using the same glue, just to kind of nestle it in. All right, so take that and we'll fold that over, and we will nestle it in here. Get that little corner down. All right, so for on this side, you can feel where the magnet is, but to know that it's facing the right way, drop it down and you know that it's going to go that way, and we know we're going to put a glob there. Oh, big old glob there, and there we go. We'll do the same on this side and glue it in. Okay, so it's nice that this paper is a little thinner too, that goes on top of the magnet, because then it kind of nestles it good. Make sure it stays in its right spot. So, okay. All right, so the next one I was gonna do, I want that one on top, so I'm gonna do this one. For the other layers, I'm just gonna use a regular glue stick. I didn't find it necessary to add the wet glue for these. They were thinner papers and a little bit quicker in trying to get, whoops. Okay, there we go. That was almost a disaster. Okay. Get that one on, and then we'll get this one on. Yeah, cute. All right. Throw a little bit more distress on the top there. And there we go. One magnet topper. Okay, so I was thinking of putting some floral on here. Add a little vintage photo to this, knock down that color a little bit. And we'll glue this one on. I'll probably find some sort of tag to put there too. And this side, I think I'll do the leaves. They're simple looking. I like their colors. Put it up there. Put a tag down there. Okay. All right, let's see if I can find. We have a lot of static in the house here. Things are sticking to the roof. He's kind of cute, but I like that one. Okay, we're gonna put that one. Just ink the sides ever so slightly because there's a little bit of white showing.
You got a bag that I can fill in Trenton?
No, it's full. All right, so we need one for the other side. That'll work. Just knock the corners off. Okay. All right, I think that's good. Get my tag off at the roof. Okay. Well, I think that works. I definitely like that. Look at that. That works perfectly. Okay. Oh, I love it. Wasn't intending to have it go there, but perfect. Okay. All right, well, I think that is good. I'm gonna call this video done for right now. I just wanted a little quick one to show you how I did those. And I will probably make some off camera, and I'll add that to the end of the video and show you ones that I made there. But definitely very, very quick and easy to do. And I think it's going to fit well in my journals, being I have lots of bottoms and not a lot of tops. So, all right, well, that's going to be it for today. I hope you have a wonderful day, and as usual, I hope it's a creative one. Thanks so much, and I hope to see you soon.